Benin is a country steeped in history, culture, and fascinating traditions, including the birthplace of Voodoo. In this video, we'll explore Benin's vibrant heritage, historic sites, and unique cultural experiences that most travelers never see. If you love discovering hidden stories and cultural treasures, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more immersive travel guides. Benin, a small West African nation on the Gulf of Guinea, is a country steeped in history, spiritual tradition, and vibrant culture. Known as the birthplace of the Voodoo religion, Benin is a land where the past and present coexist in a tapestry of color, sound, and ritual. From the bustling streets of Cotonou to the historic palaces of Abomey, from sacred forests to coastal beaches, Benin offers experiences that are both unique and profound. While often overlooked on the typical West African travel route, Benin rewards visitors who venture beyond the usual tourist paths with authentic culture, history, and natural beauty. Let's explore this fascinating country from 10 to 1.10. Cotonou, Africa's lively coastal hub. Cotonou is Benin's economic heart and a bustling city that blends urban energy with coastal charm. Its streets hum with motorbikes, street vendors, and the rhythms of daily life. The Dantokba market, one of the largest in West Africa, is a sensory overload. Vibrant colors, fresh produce, handcrafted goods, and aromatic spices fill the air. The city's coastal promenade along the Atlantic Ocean provides a serene escape for sunset strolls or casual beach visits. Cotonou is also a center for contemporary music and art, with live performances showcasing chinkum, agbaja, and modern Afrobeat. For travelers, it's the perfect introduction to Benin's urban lifestyle, offering both local flavor and cosmopolitan flair. 9. Ouidah, spiritual center of Voodoo. Ouidah is not just a city. It is the spiritual heart of Voodoo, the traditional religion that shapes much of Beninese culture. Here, visitors can explore the temple of pythons, sacred forests, and rituals performed for centuries. The Route des Esclaves, or slave route, leads to the Door of No Return, a historical site commemorating the transatlantic slave trade. Ouidah is a place of reflection, learning, and cultural immersion, where travelers witness the resilience and devotion of communities who honor their ancestors and spiritual beliefs. Annual Voodoo festivals are a kaleidoscope of costumes, music, and ceremonies, offering a rare insight into a living, vibrant spiritual tradition. 8. Abomey. Kingdoms of the past. Abomey, once the capital of the Kingdom of Dahomey, is steeped in history and regal splendor. The royal palaces of Abomey, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, display intricate bas-reliefs, royal artifacts, and historical treasures. Visitors can learn about the Dahomey kings, their legendary warriors, and the ceremonies that define their reigns. Museums and cultural centers preserve oral histories, royal regalia, and ritual objects, providing context for Benin's rich political and cultural heritage. Exploring Abomey is like stepping back in time, allowing travelers to connect with centuries of African history and royalty. 7. Ganvie, the Venice of Africa. Ganvie is an extraordinary village built entirely on stilts over Lake Noku. Established centuries ago to escape slave raids, it is one of Africa's most unique communities. Visitors navigate the village by boat, passing schools, homes, and floating markets, witnessing a lifestyle fully adapted to the water. Ganvie is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, and exploring its labyrinthine canals offers an unforgettable experience. The village also provides opportunities to interact with locals, learn fishing techniques, and understand traditional governance systems. 6. Pendjari National Park. Untouched African Safari. Pendjari National Park, part of the Wrli Pendjari WAP complex, is a wildlife haven in northern Benin. The park's savannas, forests, and rivers host elephants, lions, hippos, cheetahs, and hundreds of bird species. Unlike crowded safari destinations in East or Southern Africa, Pendjari offers a more intimate, off-the-beaten-path experience. Guided tours provide both adventure and education, helping visitors appreciate conservation efforts and the importance of preserving West Africa's natural heritage. Safaris here allow travelers to witness raw nature while supporting local communities and wildlife preservation. 5. Southern coastline and fishing villages. The southern coast of Benin is dotted with fishing towns and small villages like Lokasa. Life revolves around the ocean. Fishing boats head out at dawn, and markets fill with fresh seafood by mid-morning. Visitors can try traditional coastal dishes, explore local crafts, and learn about fishing techniques that have been passed down through generations. The coast also offers opportunities for relaxation, swimming, and observing traditional ceremonies connected to the sea, highlighting Benin's harmonious relationship with its natural environment. Point 4. Cultural festivals. Music, dance, and rituals. Benin is alive with music, dance, and ritualistic expression. From traditional Semba and Kizomba dances to Afrobeat concerts in urban centers, the country pulsates with rhythm. Annual festivals, especially those celebrating Voodoo, attract thousands of participants clad in ceremonial costumes, drums in hand. These events are more than entertainment. They are expressions of community, spirituality, and identity, offering travelers an immersive cultural experience. Participating in a festival provides insight into Benin's social cohesion, artistry, and the importance of ritual in daily life. Point 3. Museums, monuments, and historical sites. Benin's museums and historical landmarks provide a window into its past. The National Museum of Dahomey houses artifacts from royal dynasties, while smaller regional museums display tools, masks, and ceremonial objects. Sites along the slave route in Ouidah allow for reflection on the transatlantic slave trade. Exploring these locations teaches travelers about Benin's complex history, resilience, and contributions to global heritage, making history tangible and deeply human. Point 2. Artisans and craftsmanship. Benin is a hub for traditional arts and crafts, with artisans creating textiles, pottery, wood carvings, and metalwork. Local markets are filled with masks, sculptures, and ritual objects, each with symbolic meaning. Travelers can visit workshops, learn techniques, and purchase authentic handicrafts directly from artisans, supporting local communities. These encounters provide not only souvenirs but also a deeper understanding of Benin's artistic traditions and spiritual life. Point 1. Benin's hidden charm. Tradition meets modernity. The true essence of Benin lies in its blend of past and present. Cities like Cotonou and Porto-Novo pulse with modern life, commerce, and contemporary culture, while rural villages, sacred forests, and coastal communities preserve centuries-old customs. From stilt villages and royal palaces to vibrant festivals and national parks, Benin offers a travel experience that is immersive, educational, and unforgettable. The country rewards curiosity, resilience, and respect for its culture, making every journey here deeply meaningful. From sacred traditions to historic landmarks and colorful local culture, Benin is a destination full of stories waiting to be uncovered. If this video helped you see a side of Benin beyond the surface, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.